Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You begin by ensuring prerequisites. Plug your iPhone in or confirm the battery is at least 50% and connect to a stable Wi-Fi network so the download won't fail. Once done, open Settings, tap General, then Software Update to see available versions. You'll see either an update listed or a message that your software is up to date. If an update appears, tap Download and Install. This starts verification and prepares your device for the next phase. You'll enter your passcode when prompted and tap Download and Install. The phone will download the update package and then verify it. While it prepares, avoid using heavy apps or forcing a restart because interrupted installs can cause errors. Once verified, tap Install Now or schedule the install for overnight with automatic updates. Scheduling helps if you need the phone during the day. Make sure there's adequate free storage. If not, remove unused apps or media to continue. You finish by following on-screen prompts. The iPhone will restart and display an update progress bar, then boot to the lock screen when complete. Once back, go to Settings General Software Update to confirm the installed version and check that apps and settings behave normally. If the update fails or the phone is stuck on the Apple logo, try a force restart first. If that doesn't help, connect to a computer and use recovery mode to reinstall iOS. This preserves data when possible, otherwise restore from your backup.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.